utensil in your ear. Look.
How funny is that? I love it.
Ladies, I am so ready for you to show me how to make your dirty rice dressing.
All right.
turned it down.
Crack that lid, girl.
Or are we gonna ruin those chicken livers?
All right, now I'm gonna kind of step back and let y'all have
All right,
that.
that's we gotta
Well,
make
I'll
this
help
holy
you, but-
trinity right here. This is what the people in the Low Country call it.
Yes, the Trinity.
Yeah. All right, Paula, will you dice this up? I like to use the leaves because it gives
I do too, honey. I ain't throwing away no
All right,
leaves.
Sissy, you want me to
Now,
peel these?
did y'all wash this already?
No, ma'am, I haven't washed it.
We gotta get these
Yeah, you
eggplants
start doing
on.
that.
Is the...
And I'm gonna start browning our meat. We've got a pound of ground beef and a pound of breakfast sausage.
While I'm getting started on the celery, Suzette, you're peeling the eggplant, and Amy, you got the sausage and meat going, right? I'm just gonna move the tenderloin over here so it'll stop cooking.
I'm just gonna tint this so it'll stay warm.
We're gonna brown this meat, and when you take it out, you wanna leave some of the drippings, the goodness, in it, because we're gonna do our vegetables.
So I'll add the 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon to your water.
Your mama used to make a wonderful eggplant casserole.
She still does. Paula, won't you hand me that bell pepper or the onion?
Well,
and
I'm gonna
that.
do that for you. I just had to get my
Okay.
celery.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. All right, that's got to cook for just a minute. About
All right,
10 minutes.
Okay.
This is
All
about
right, you can take that
almost-
meat out.
And then we're gonna put the vegetables in there.
Okay, so you
And
got
then-
a big spider that you can do that
I'm
with.
just gonna use this.
Oh, I can't believe that you girls surprised me. This is
I know.
wonderful.
Well, I want to surprise Bobby and Jamie,
Well,
and I want to see those babies.
I know.
grandbabies.
I can't believe it.
All right.
I just can't hardly wait. I said I don't want to wish their little lives away.
I
But
know.
Jack's 5 now. Matthew is 6 months. Henry's 3 months. But can you imagine my house in like 2 Christmases from now?
No, it's gonna be wide open.
It's gonna be wide open.
Like we used to be.
Yes.
Now this is the Holy of the Holy Trinity.
What?
You
Look at
know?
this.
Yes.
I mean, with the bell pepper, onions,
Smell it.
Celery. Yes, I smell it. And you got those
Liv-
chicken livers.
yeah, we're gonna put these through the processor.
All right, now, am I gonna do them to like mush?
Yes.
Suzette?
Almost like a pate.
I'm-
When have you ever heard those words come out of my mouth?
The only thing I see missing, girls, is maybe a little butter.
Oh,
I forgot the butter.
A little
the butter
touch.
just gives it. That's good.
Okay.
That's my girl.
That's good. We didn't have hardly any drippings in here.
All right, now, are you ready for me
Yeah,
to
let's
put
go ahead and
this
put that in.
Okay.
In goes the livers, a pinch of Cajun seasoning, your ground beef and sausage, some parsley, and finally, the eggplant.
All right, Paula, we're gonna let this
Cook
cook
it
All right,
down
do we
for
need
about
to
an
simmer?
hour
Okay.
and a half, and then we're gonna add our rice to it, which I've
Okay.
already made the rice.
All right.
Now tell me
All
what
right.
you're doing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that on our blog, my tip.
Yeah.
But
That's a tip right there.
I just like to spray all parts of the cast iron because steam is going to collect up there. And I just want to make sure it stays seasoned, too. The lid is just
What's up?
the lid is just as important as the pot.
Well, I'll be darned.
So, girls, what's left to do with the dirty rice?
All right,
Ready.
good.
All right, I've got 4 cups of cooked rice that we're gonna add to the pot. Excuse me.
It's gonna be. Oh.
And we gotta chop up these green onions to put in here. Look at that. You think we need some more of this, the broth?
Yeah, Paula, what you think? Come look.
Well, I
A
don't
little
know.
bit.
I think if we're going to eat like right now, I
It'll
think
be
it's
good.
good. But
right.
Well-
that starchy rice is going to absorb that liquid.
Yeah,
Hold on, let me
right.
taste it.
with your fork, earring. Give me the other one.
Give me a
Give me a leg.
What cheers me?
Look at there, look at there.
Oh my gosh.
Not good.
Ooh, hard.
Is it good?
You want to buy it?
Oh, it might hurt you. I'm serious.
Taste it and see what you think.
Well,
It's pretty good like it is, I'm telling you, y'all.
May
what I
need a
think.
little Cajun seasoning, but Mama doesn't like it real hot. Speaking of Mama, when is she gonna be home?
Shirley.
She's been shopping all afternoon.
Listen, I
hope
grant
she
you.
bought us something.
She better.
Whoa, girl.
Isn't that good?
Told you.
Wow.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.